Top 10 Breitling watches are renowned for their impeccable craftsmanship and iconic designs. Breitling watches are more than just timepieces. They are symbols of prestige and achievement. Let's delve into the top 10 Breitling watches of 2025. Number 9. Breitling Navitimer B12 Chronograph 41 Cosmonaute. Price of this watch in USD is $17,695. The Breitling Navitimer B12 Chronograph 41 Cosmonaute is an iconic model with a rich history and unique design, crafted to honor Breitling's long-standing legacy in aviation and space exploration. The Cosmonaute line pays tribute to the original Navitimer that was famously worn by astronaut Scott Carpenter in 1962 during his Mercury Atlas 7 spaceflight, making it the first Swiss watch worn in space. Here are the standout features of the Breitling Navitimer B12 Chronograph 41 Cosmonaute. 24-hour dial. A defining feature of the Cosmonaute model is its 24-hour dial. Case and size. This model typically comes in a 41mm stainless steel case. Slide rule bezel. Like all Navitimers, the Cosmonaute features Breitling's iconic slide rule bezel. Movement. Powering the Cosmonaute is the Breitling B12 movement. Number 8. Breitling Chronomat Automatic 36 South Sea Capsule Collection. Price of this watch in USD is $7,450. The Breitling Chronomat Automatic 36 South Sea Capsule Collection is a vibrant and luxurious interpretation of the classic Chronomat, designed to evoke the beauty and exotic allure of the tropics. This special capsule collection targets those with an eye for both elegance and adventure, combining the technical prowess of the Chronomat series with bold, colorful aesthetics that stand out. Here's a closer look at the key features of the Chronomat Automatic 36 South Sea Capsule Collection. Colorful dials and bezel. The South Sea Capsule Collection is available in 3 striking dial colors. Case and size. The case has a 36mm diameter, making it suitable for a wide range of wrist sizes and a popular choice for those seeking a stylish yet manageable size. Roulette-inspired rouleau bracelet. The signature rouleau bracelet with its distinct rounded links and butterfly clasp. Movement. Inside the watch is the Breitling Caliber 10 automatic movement. Tropical-inspired design elements. Number 7. Breitling Navitimer GMT 41. Price of this watch in USD is $6,880. The Breitling Navitimer GMT 41 is a sophisticated travel companion within Breitling's legendary Navitimer collection, known for its aviation heritage and iconic slide rule bezel. This model integrates a GMT function, allowing travelers to keep track of time across different time zones while retaining the classic Navitimer look and functionality. Here's an overview of the key features of the Breitling Navitimer GMT 41. GMT functionality. The Navitimer GMT 41 features a 24-hour GMT hand in addition to the traditional hour, minute, and seconds hands. Case size and design. The watch has a 41mm case, a balanced size that fits comfortably on a variety of wrist sizes. Slide rule bezel. Like other models in the Navitimer collection, the GMT 41 includes the iconic slide rule bezel. Dial and subdials. The dial of the Navitimer GMT 41 is typically available in classic colors like black, blue, and silver. Movement. Powering the Navitimer GMT 41 is the Breitling Caliber 13. Number 6. Breitling Navitimer B1 SWISS Limited Edition. Price of this watch in USD is $9,180. The Breitling Navitimer B1 Swiss Limited Edition is a distinctive and exclusive version of the iconic Navitimer, crafted specifically as a limited edition for the Swiss market. Known for its precision, aviation heritage, and unique design elements, this limited edition piece incorporates subtle nods to Swiss craftsmanship and the iconic Navitimer design that has been cherished by pilots and aviation enthusiasts for decades. Here are the key features of the Breitling Navitimer B1 Swiss Limited Edition, exclusive limited edition design. Dial and color scheme. The Navitimer B1 Swiss Limited Edition often features a dial with distinctive colors. Slide rule bezel. Like all Navitimer models, the Swiss Limited Edition. Case and size. The watch comes in a stainless steel case with a traditional 43mm size. Movement. Inside the Navitimer B1 Swiss Limited Edition is the Breitling manufacturer caliber bone. This in-house automatic movement is COSC certified, ensuring chronometer-grade accuracy. The B1 offers a 70-hour power reserve and features a column wheel chronograph mechanism, known for its smooth operation and reliability. Number 5. Breitling Navitimer Boeing 747. Price of this watch in USD is $9,400. The Breitling Navitimer Boeing 747 is a special edition of the Navitimer that pays tribute to the iconic Boeing 747, one of the most famous aircraft in aviation history. This limited edition model captures the spirit of the Queen of the Skies with unique design elements and Breitling's renowned craftsmanship. The Navitimer Boeing 747 is ideal for aviation enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate the legacy of both the Navitimer series and the Boeing 747 aircraft. Here is a detailed look at the Breitling Navitimer Boeing 747 Aviation-Inspired dial design. The Navitimer Boeing 747 features a distinctive dial inspired by Boeing's brand colors. Slide rule bezel. The slide rule bezel is a signature feature of the Navitimer collection. Case size and build, with a 43mm stainless steel case. Number 4. Breitling Navitimer Automatic 41. Price of this watch in USD is $6,070. The Breitling Navitimer Automatic 41 is a streamlined and versatile member of the Navitimer family, offering the classic aesthetic of Breitling's iconic pilot's watch in a smaller, more refined 41mm case without the chronograph function. This watch is ideal for those who appreciate the Navitimer's distinctive style and aviation heritage, but prefer a simpler, more elegant design that can be worn in a variety of settings. Classic Navitimer design. The Navitimer Automatic 41 maintains the legendary design cues of the original Navitimer, including the slide rule bezel that has defined the Navitimer series for decades. The slide rule allows wearers to perform basic calculations, a feature that remains a signature of the Navitimer even without the chronograph function. Number 3. Breitling Navitimer Automatic 36. Price of this watch in USD is $5,950. The Breitling Navitimer Automatic 36 is a smaller, more elegant version of Breitling's classic Navitimer, designed specifically with versatility and wearability in mind. While it maintains the iconic design features of the Navitimer collection, this model is tailored to those who prefer a more compact watch. With its 36mm case, the Navitimer Automatic 36 is ideal for individuals with smaller wrists or those looking for a refined aviation-inspired watch with a vintage appeal. Iconic Navitimer aesthetic. The Navitimer Automatic 36 stays true to Breitling's aviation heritage. Compact 36mm case with a 36mm stainless steel case. Dial and color options. The Navitimer Automatic 36 comes in a variety of dial colors. Breitling Caliber 17 movement. This model is powered by the Breitling Caliber 17. Functional slide rule bezel, like all Navitimers. Number 2. Breitling Navitimer Automatic 32. Price of this watch in USD is $5,110. The Breitling Navitimer Automatic 32 is a refined and compact version of the iconic Navitimer, designed for those who appreciate timeless aviation-inspired design in a smaller and more elegant package. With a 32mm case size, it is particularly suited to those with smaller wrists, combining Breitling's aviation heritage with a streamlined aesthetic that's perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Here's a closer look at the Breitling Navitimer Automatic 32. Compact and elegant design. The Navitimer Automatic 32 preserves the distinct Navitimer style while offering a minimalist take, omitting the signature slide rule bezel seen on larger models. This omission provides a more refined and understated design, making it a stylish choice for those who prefer a smaller watch without the busy look of traditional aviation watches. The 32mm case size gives it a sophisticated, jewelry-like feel that sits comfortably on the wrist. Case and build quality with its 32mm stainless steel case. Number 1. Breitling Aerospace B70 Orbiters. Price of this watch in USD is $5,480. The Breitling Aerospace B70 Orbiter is a distinctive and high-performance member of the aerospace series, designed as a tribute to the Breitling orbiter balloon missions that achieved historic aviation milestones. Known for its advanced technology and sleek design, the Aerospace B-70 orbiter combines Breitling's aeronautical heritage with cutting-edge quartz functionality, making it a tool watch that's both practical and symbolic of exploration. Here's a breakdown of the features of the Breitling Aerospace B-70 orbiter. Advanced aerospace design. The Aerospace B-70 orbiter features a lightweight yet robust titanium case, measuring approximately 42 m. Superquartz movement. At the heart of the Aerospace B-70 orbiter is Breitling's Superquartz caliber 79. Multifunction digital and analog display.